Hey there, Melinda. Chief Meteorologist Catherine Thompson here. I'll tell you what, temperatures for most have been pretty steamy, and we're not the only place that's been heating up. The Atlantic Ocean has been heating up too, and it is the middle of hurricane season. Well, I should say just after the start now of hurricane season. It runs until November. We do have one area of low pressure out there just off the coast close to us, and this is Tropical Depression 2. It could strengthen into a named storm. If it does, it'll be Bill, so we'll see what happens. But the good news is about this storm, it doesn't look to impact us much. It's going to continue its trek off into the Atlantic. There's another area of low pressure, though, that concerns me. There's one in the Gulf of Mexico, actually near the Bay of Campeche at the moment, and that actually looks to possibly trek northward toward the Gulf Coast, bringing them very heavy rainfall at the least, if not some of those gusty winds, depending on if that becomes a named storm in the next few days. At least by the end of the week, we could be seeing effects from that, even here, some of that moisture here. Now, out in the Atlantic, farther out, just off the coast of Africa, a new tropical wave has just formed too. Right now, this one has a low chance of tropical development. But again, we're going to continue monitoring the Atlantic, that is for sure. Now, here at home today, we're actually kind of quiet, especially compared to yesterday. Highs today have still been kind of hot and humid, though. Most of us were in the 70s and 80s. We've got just enough heat and humidity for a possible shower storm before the sun goes down. We've had a few more of those to our south across the Virginia-Carolina state line there. But here, we've been pretty tranquil so far. There is a severe thunderstorm watch well to our north, so we are not expecting anything on the caliber of what we saw yesterday here today. Just a stray shower again, or an isolated storm before the sun goes down. But generally, a chance for severe weather is not going to be in our area, which is some good news. We're still dealing with power outages from yesterday's storm. Look at Fayette County. Still almost 1,000 people there without power, so we need some quiet weather to clean up debris, to get the lines fixed, to get the yards mowed, and we're going to get it. We've actually got a couple of frontal systems bringing us these very isolated showers today and tomorrow at most, but high pressure is really going to be taken over. So compared to last week, this week is looking a lot better. The muggy meter, look at those smiley faces. We're talking about good, nice, refreshing air mass coming in through the end of the work week here. And look at the mowing forecast. Again, really, if you were swamped last week and you didn't get to mow because it was just too wet, too hot, too humid, the next few days are going to present a much better opportunity to get that yard work done. Let's take a close look at Futurecast really quickly too. Overnight, again, just to recap, just a few more showers here and there. Tomorrow we could see a few isolated showers, but again, nothing like we've been seeing. Pretty nice conditions overall, and for the sake of time, we'll look at that extended forecast. Some of that tropical moisture looks to come in at the very end of the work week, and we'll get some showers and storms by Saturday into Sunday. Hey, speaking of a good weather opportunity, maybe a viewing opportunity in the morning, another rocket will be visible across the two Virginias bright and early Tuesday morning as NASA prepares to launch a rocket out of Wallops Island, Virginia. Our meteorologist Brandon Lawson has the details.